Hi guys, Wendy here from Draw So Cute. In this video we're going to draw a realistic rose, so let's get started. With this rose we're going to start by drawing the center of the rose. So I'm going to start right here and I'm basically going to be drawing a wobbly oval, just a small little oval. And I'm going to surround it with another oval, so really close to it, right on the edge, just like that. And then I'm going to go another one, and once again I'm going to go really close on this side and just wobble another oval a little bit outer over here and come back. So those are the three ovals you want to start with. So notice this is connected and this one is just very thin right here and wider out here. So from there, we're going to start to build our little bud in the center. So I'm going to come out right here now, connecting from this line, and I'm going to draw another oval coming out. So I'm just going to wobble a little bit so it's not too perfect, because this is a rose. And so then from there, we've got the center in. I'm going to come right here. So this is our center. I'm just going to kind of imagine this bud in this area, and I'm going to give myself a slight angle about right here. Just going to give myself a point, and from here I'm going to build out a petal. So to build out this bud, I'm going to curve it and go in. So same thing here. This is my center, and I'm going to come out and once again come all the way and build in. I know it looks really weird right now, but it's going to come together and it's going to be really awesome. Okay, so what I forgot to do, sorry, is right in the center, just give yourself a little line right here. So now it looks like there's a center, right? Just add two little straight lines in here to connect the middle, the center bud, I mean. Okay, so then from there we have our outside petal for our bud. What we're going to do now is come back and we're going to connect it. So come out right here and just kind of wobble the shape out right here in the center. So this is our center bud. Okay, so then basically from there, the most important thing after this step is to draw this curve that ends this bud so that it looks like this bud is surrounded by petals. So basically you just want to draw this curve, kind of like a little wave, just right at the bottom. So make sure you have to draw this in order for it to look like it's going in. And then from there we're going to bring out this, we're going to finish out this petal right here. Just kind of connect it and come out. And we're just going to bring it back in. So about right here, just bring it back in. There. Okay, so now let's go back in here and just make this bud a little bit fuller. So I'm just going to come out and just wobble out another petal. Then from there, I'm going to come in here now. So this part is going to be the easier part where you're just going to be adding petals to make a big full rose. So I'm going to come out right here and just add a curve for one petal that comes in about right here. And then let's see here, I'm going to come out with another one. So right there, and I'm just going to connect it in. So don't worry if it's not exactly the same shape as mine. You just want to draw these petals that just surround it. And so from there, let's come out, say about right here. I'm going to start building from the bottom right here. So about right here, I'm just going to come out and build another petal that comes out and in. So now it's starting to open up. I'm going to come around here and tuck one back in here. And let's see, let's keep going. So I'm going to come over here. So as you're drawing, if you feel your rose isn't full enough, just keep adding these petals, like just go all the way around. So like I said, you don't have to make it exactly like mine, all the petals. Just keep adding as much as you want. So in here, I'm just gonna come tuck this back in. And right here at the bottom, I'm just gonna simplify it and add another one. So it's just curve and tuck it back in. And it looks kind of empty right here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little curve. That way it looks a little bit more complete. And that is pretty much it for this rose. So then from there, let's add some leaves. And I'm just gonna tuck in 2 leaves right here, but you can add as many as you want. So right in this area, I'm just gonna add some zigzags for my leaf. Come out to a point and bring it back. And tuck it back in. Then we're gonna add a little line in the center and curve it. And so let's see here, let's tuck another one. So about right here, I'm gonna add another leaf, zigzag it, and come back. And once again, I'm just gonna add another line and curve it. And so that is pretty much it for this rose. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you loved how this rose turned out. And if you do, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.